Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you are here to make some crazy, delicious, amazing cuisine and foods, this is where you need to be watching. That's all I got, Chef.
I don't know, too much pressure.
Go ahead, say this.
Uncle Roger, shout out.
Oh, hi.
I know it's good. I made it.
You fucked up.
And it starts right now. So today we are making a Korean beef with kimchi fried rice and sauteed baby bok choy. And if you would stick around, I'll show you some tricks how you could avoid the rice from sticking to the pan. And if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the notification bell so you don't miss anything. And stay tuned. Alright, so people make a lot of mistakes when making fried rice. It's either the rice is sticking or they don't get that wok flavor using a saute pan. You don't have the equipment, you can achieve it. You just have to have a really hot pan and you gotta do specific steps to achieve it. For the rice not sticking, we have to cook the eggs first. What the egg does is it basically coats. And the other trick, you need to have a really hot pan. You can see it smoking. You grab your eggs. At this point, it's gonna be fast. Right? The eggs are cooked. Let's put it to another container. Now we focus on the rice. Add more canola oil. Let it heat up. Here we have a day-old rice. This is what we're gonna start with. But before we do that, let's add our ginger and garlic. As soon as you smell the aroma of the ginger and garlic, add your rice. You see that? The rice doesn't stick to the pan. It's because of the eggs. At this point, let's add the white part of the scallions. So this kimchi I made, and I like the flavor of it. This is what I use. Now, you can use kimchi that you buy from your Asian store. All the recipes are gonna be in the description down below. Add your kimchi. Toss it. Let's add our eggs. And that's it, you see? Now we're gonna make our Korean beef to complement the fried rice. First, I'm gonna grab a really hot pan. I use the filet because it's the most tender. And hot pan, you don't have to season it because the Korean sauce that I made earlier, it has a lot of salt in it. You see that fire because I really have a hot pan? That mimics that wok flavor. So what you're doing here is giving the filet a nice caramelization. Alright, it's time to add the sauce. So that's done. See? We're gonna keep the bok choy simple. We're just gonna saute it with ginger, garlic. Since the bok choy is already blanched earlier, so it looks like this. So to put the dish together, I want to heat it up together with the fried rice. and then the Korean beef that I have, and then you'll see how it looks like on the plate. So grab your ginger garlic. Grab your bok choy. And that's it. See? Now let's plate it up. Now that we have all the components, we have the kimchi fried rice, we have the Korean beef, and then we have the sautéed baby bok choy. So how I plate this up is I grab my kimchi fried rice, I put it on the bottom of the plate, grab my bok choy. When I plate, I like everything facing the same direction. I don't know, maybe it's just me plating, but that's how I plate. So I'll grab that, facing the same direction. Right? And then grab the Korean beef that I have. Just put it on top. Put it on top of the plate. Put all the sauce in there. Let it get soaked into the fried rice. Maybe let's move this one right here. Let's wipe the plate. Make it look nice. What do you think?
I need some spoons
Rice is very good.
to take home and eat. It's very good.
Is it?
Is it recording, chef?
It's been recorded.
I can't tell. What's going on?
I got it.
Sit.
Huh?
This one
What happened?
for the mop.
The mop? Okay.
Yeah.
What about the mop?
For this one.
It's gonna be for the floor, right?
Yes.
Here, Jackie, try this one.
Try,
No, no.
try, no, no,
No,
try,
no,
try it, try
Jackie.
it, try it, try it,
This
Jackie.
good?
Yes, put
Yeah,
it in
try
your
it,
mouth.
try it,
Yeah.
Jackie.
It's a plate.
Jackie, what are you doing?
God damn it. Hey, what happened?
Hey, do we need any fish?
Chef, 86 everything.
Oh my gosh. Alright, so thank you for watching. And if you do enjoy, please like and subscribe.
Stay tuned.
Stay-
Cook good food.
Alright, so what?
I say cook good food.
I don't know what I gotta say. Hit the like and subscribe button.
Wow. That's fucking awesome. I made you stay today. I'm sorry. This is fucking. I'm sorry. I'm sorry making you stay, okay? I'm sorry I make you stay. Okay. Alright. Woo! Fuck yeah, baby.